So, we've learned that tests, testing, measurement, evaluation, and assessment are related but distinct concepts. What do you think is the most important distinction between testing and assessment?
That's a tricky one. Standardized tests ensure consistency and objectivity, but they might not capture a student's creativity or critical thinking skills. What about teacher-made tests? Do you think they are more effective because they align better with classroom instruction?
That makes sense. But then, how do standardized tests fit into this? They are a form of testing, yet they are used to assess large groups of students. Do you think they provide an accurate representation of a student's knowledge and skills?
That's a thought-provoking question. Learning isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about applying knowledge. Perhaps assessment should include real-world application, like projects or case studies. How do you think is this approach would impact the way students prepare for assessment? Possible, because teacher-made tests are specifically designed based on what was taught. However, they could be more subjective and lack of reliability compared to standardized tests. What do you think is the best way to balance standardized and teacher-made assessment?
Maybe by using a combination of both. Standardized tests could provide a broad benchmark, while teachers-made tests offer insights specific to the curriculum. But then, how do we ensure fairness in assessment? Some students may perform well on one type of test but struggles with another.
Probably balancing validity, reliability, and fairness while ensuring students actually benefit from the process. Perhaps assessment should be seen as part of learning process rather than just a final judgment. What do you both think?
Maybe more formative assessments like feedback-driven assessment instead of just high-stake tests. This way, students can track their progress and improve over time. What do you think is the biggest challenge in making assessments more effective?
So, definitely to improve learning. Ranking might be necessary in some cases, like college admissions, but assessment should primarily guide students and teachers in making better learning decisions. What changes do you think should be made to current assessment practices to better support students' growth?
That's an essential debate. We should standardize to ensure fairness, but personalization requires individual learning needs. Maybe a mix of both is necessary. Ultimately, do you think the main goal of assessment should be rank students to improve learning?